Trump's tariff tsunami. Is your portfolio ready? Are you prepared for the potential hit to your portfolio? A new wave of tariffs is coming, and it's not just about China anymore. This could impact your investments in ways you haven't even considered. Keeping up with the political and economic fallout is a constant battle. You're busy managing your portfolio and life, not deciphering trade policy. Tariffs and trade wars create uncertainty, leading to anxiety about your investments. This video cuts through the noise. We'll break down the proposed tariff plan and its potential effects on your portfolio. We'll identify vulnerable sectors and even specific types of households at risk. Our goal is to provide you with actionable insights. You'll gain strategies to protect your investments and even identify potential profit opportunities. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the risks and a plan to navigate them. The proposed plan isn't just about specific goods or countries. It's a broader approach, like a 10% universal tariff on all imports. This means everything from steel to German-made appliances and Vietnamese textiles could be affected. The stated objective might be to protect jobs or reduce the deficit. However, the reality is often more nuanced and complex. Understanding the true implications is crucial for investors. Let's pinpoint the sectors most vulnerable to these tariffs. We'll focus on those heavily reliant on imports or competing with cheaper imports. These are the areas where you're most likely to see an immediate impact. Manufacturing, retail, and technology are prime examples. These sectors often rely on global supply chains and imported components. Increased costs can lead to declining profitability and, consequently, weaker stock performance. Tariffs don't just affect specific companies. They create a ripple effect throughout the economy. Increased costs for businesses translate to higher prices for consumers. This can impact consumer spending and overall economic growth. Don't forget the potential for retaliatory tariffs. Other countries may respond with their own tariffs, escalating the trade war. This creates even more uncertainty and potential disruption. Let's bring this down to a personal level. How do these tariffs affect individual households? Lower-income households who spend a larger portion of their income on essential goods will feel the pinch the most. Investors holding stocks or ETFs in affected sectors are also at risk. Your portfolio could take a hit if these companies experience declining profits. It's crucial to understand your exposure and take appropriate action. Consider specific stocks or ETFs that might be affected. Companies that rely heavily on imported materials or sell imported goods could see their stock prices decline. Knowing your holdings is the first step to protecting your portfolio. I remember advising a client with significant holdings in manufacturing companies during the 2018 China tariff situation. We had to reevaluate their portfolio and implement strategies to mitigate the risks. This involved diversifying into less vulnerable sectors and hedging against potential losses. The key takeaway is the importance of staying informed and being prepared. It's not about predicting the future, but understanding different scenarios and having a plan in place. This allows you to react quickly and protect your investments. Now let's get practical. What steps can you take to protect your portfolio from the impact of tariffs? Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially if that basket is heavily exposed to affected sectors. Monitor key economic indicators and trade developments closely. Stay informed about the latest news and analysis. Consider hedging strategies to protect against potential losses. Options and other derivatives can be used to limit your downside risk. Let's recap the key takeaways and actionable steps. Diversify your portfolio. Reduce your exposure to vulnerable sectors. Monitor key indicators. Stay informed about trade developments. Consider hedging strategies. Protect against potential losses. Stay informed. Knowledge is your best defense. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial for financial success. Understanding the potential impact of tariffs is a critical step in protecting your portfolio. Don't wait until it's too late. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more actionable investment insights. Leave a comment below and let us know what concerns you most about the proposed tariff plan. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you in the next video.